Hello and welcome to Tuperty's Real Estate and Property Listing Web Application Tutorials. This is the first video in the series of this application tutorials. By the time of recording of this video, the version of the application is 1.0, which means it is the first launch. This application provides all the basic and traditional facilities and functions of a traditional real estate listing website. The development team will keep adding different add-ons and modules over the passage of time and provided user feedback. All the add-ons will have their own introducing videos launched upon their release. Anyway, let's get started with the user interface and theme of this web application. What you're currently watching on your screen right now is the default landing page. The landing page is nicely designed, content-rich web page with different sections in it. The page is fully responsive and fits on all the screen sizes. On the top we have the header section. In the header section we have the menu, we have login, we have registered, and we have the content contact to the web portal values like landline number and the email. Below it, it's a full width image slider. There are 2 to 4 different image slides, you can see beautifully aligned. Down here there is a search bar, a traditional search bar, the keyword search, a location based search, the purpose based search, and the type of different properties. Below that we have the about us section. It's actually fully dynamic. You can edit all the content from the admin panel. We'll talk about the admin panel in the next video. Down here we have the properties section. These are actually the latest properties. Only a few are listed here. You can see 3 in a line, then 3 and 3, total 9 properties are listed here, which are the latest properties. There is also a link to the map. You can open it in another window. You can just click directly on the link. It will take you to the map. This is the map with custom markers and custom info windows. Just click on any windows. You can see the image of the property in the info window. It's an HTML info window. Very few people use it. Close it down. Okay, back to the properties page. Down here is the services section. Again, this section is dynamic. All of these services, they come from the admin panel. You can edit it, you can change it, you can add them, you can delete them. That's the liberty of using a dynamic web portal. Down here, this is the search to your properties director. It's a part of the theme. If you click it, it will take you to the properties page. Down here is the agent sections. These are all of the users which are currently registered on this web portals and are posting properties. It's a slider. You can slide them back and forward. Down here, it's the testimonial section. What client says about this web portal. All of these client testimonials, they also come from the admin panel. You can add, delete, whatever you can do. It's again a slider. You can slide, navigate between different testimonials. Down here, these are the most famous real estate vendor brands, either a cement or residential or a builder or contractor or a developer or a mortgage dealer. All of them are here. You can add or delete them from admin panel again. The last section is actually the latest post section. This website also have a blog. Whatever will be the latest post will come here. You can add a post, you can delete a post, you can modify a post. I won't recommend deleting post. Actually, you should just pause it to be displayed. Bad for SEO purposes. And at the last, it is the footer section. It has some links to social media. This portal is designed by this team, Smart Baba. You can see these links are the traditional links, the mission statement, the about us section, the terms and conditions, frequently asked questions, privacy policy. All of them have their own pages and they will appear in pop-up. Going up, back to the main slider. The next page, which you can be directed from this main menu, it's a properties page. Just click on the properties page. It will take you to the properties page. Now here you have a list of all the properties that are present on this web portal. any property which is sold out or any ad which is being engaged by other customer and the deal is finalized will be marked as sold out. The owner of the listing can actually mark the property to be sold from his own dashboard. The dashboard videos will come later in this series. You will see there is a pagination marked very beautifully. You can go through between these pages, front and backward. The properties page has two layouts: the grid layout, this is the default, the grid layout, and the other tabular layout. You can see them all aligned very beautifully. Here you have the search there, and down here you have the popular properties based on the page views. Any property can be viewed. Just go to any properties and the detail, just look at any properties. Let's see, we're going to watch a property over here. Just go to the detail, it will take you to the detail page. At the above you can see the number of page views. This times this page has been viewed by different users. No likes, sorry, no one has liked it so far. And the image section, this is again a slider, just like the homepage slider. You can slide between different images if there are many. If there isn't any image, there will be an avatar, or if there is only single image will be displayed. You won't see these controls. Here, the title, the description, the currency. The currency is actually dynamic and can be changed from the admin panel. You can see here in these listings, these are in AED, which is currency for UAE, and down here it is in US dollar. So the currency is actually dynamic. At the time of posting, you can mention which currency you're posting. This is the map based on the address of the property. The map is displayed. Anyway, this was the detail page. The next page is the blog. So click on the blog. You can see these are the list of the latest posts. Currently there are only 3 posts, so you can only check them. You can add, delete, modify, update the posts. You can moderate the comments on these posts. You can remove the comments which users have done from your admin panel. Anytime a comment is made, you will be notified with a notification email to whatever the email you have provided in the admin panel to receive your emails. You can also delete the comments from the admin panel. Okay, let's click on any of this post. Let's say this. Now this is the post detail page. Pretty much I like the property detail page. This is the featured image. Again, these are the most recent posts. This is the post title, the author, the post description, and down here this is the comment section. You will see the list of comments, and then these comments display here. This image, this is coming from the Gravatar. If you go here, any user has done any comment and he does not have a Gravatar account, a Gravatar image will be displayed here. Right? The last page is the contact page. On contact page there is some content. This content is again dynamic and it comes from the admin panel. This is the line number. You can see the line number over here is exactly the same as over here, and again the email address mentioned over here is exactly the same as mentioned over here. This address, it is translated by Google API, the Google Map API, and a pointer is placed on that placed. Here there is a form. Any user can send an email from this form. Then this email will be sent to the administrator on the email which you have provided in the admin panel to receive the emails. Alright? Okay, this was a little overview of this product. Hope you have enjoyed it. We will soon get back with another video to explain what is the admin panel and how we can manage things in admin panel for this portal. Thank you very much. See you soon.